Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Whip back with another tutorial. And today we're doing another soft glam. This is my client. I'm assuming it was her birthday. She didn't really tell me, but she said she's going to a dinner. So maybe it's a friend's dinner or something like that. But she's going to a dinner out with the girls. So she showed me exactly how she wanted to do her makeup. So that's what we about to do. We about to beat her face. So right now, you guys know I'm always going in with my Morphe pencil in Java. And I'm just filling in her brows. One thing, you know, guys, like, you know, people, like, a lot of people have, like, different brows, like, you know, like, the shape of their brows is different. Her brows, like, her brow shape is different, and I like it. Like, I like the way, like, her brows are, like, I mean, like, they're not, like, how everybody else's brows is kind of, like, you can make them, like, her brows can be archy, but like how everybody else kind of have like that highlight, that natural highlight underneath their brow. She doesn't really have that. I don't know if I'm explaining it correctly, but like, if you can see, like, her brows kind of like they're like, I don't know, I can't really explain it, but after she was done with her makeup, she did notice. She was like, yes, girl, you even made my brows look cute. So I'm assuming, like, she'd always had issues with other MUAs when they do her eyebrows or whatever. But yes, so I really like the shape of her brows. I thought it was cute. I haven't worked with anybody whose brows were shaped that way, I believe. Yeah. So I think she's the first person, like, I see, like, her brows were shaped like that, which was cute, because I know if I did come across somebody like that, I probably would have said something. But I love her brows. I think they're cute. Now, I'm sorry if I'm in the way, you guys. And look at me, I just created a heart without knowing. Okay, so I went in with P. Louise base in 0, and I just tapped that into her eyelids, and I blended it all out. And then I went in my Morphe palette and I picked up this brown eyeshadow, and I'm just tapping that onto her eyelid. Yes, and I'm just applying it on exactly on her lid before I reach the top of her close to the top of her brow. Ooh, guys, it's about to rain over here. And then here I am going on the other side. For the concealer, I used Warm Almond. You guys know that's my favorite concealer. I wanted to tell you guys how, like, you know how when people are doing, like, eyebrows, they use, like, a lot of concealers, like, a lot of concealer to, like, they make sure, like, they brush is wet to, like, conceal the brows. I can't do that. Like, it's not like I can't do it. It's the fact that I want to have control of the concealer. And I feel like when you have too much on your brush, you don't have that much of control. It's kind of like you're concealing the brows, and then next thing you know, you, like, concealed in the brow. Then you messed up. Now you got to go back and fill in, blah blah. So yeah, that's why I want to share with you guys. So I like to, you know, work with a thin layer of concealer. But here I am going in with Juvia's Place nude eyeshadow. Okay. And I'm just placing that right on top of that concealer I applied on her eyelid. And now I'm just going back into the Morphe palette with that brown shade, and I'm just blending out those edges of that eyeshadow. And voila, look at that. That thing look good. And now I'm going in with Wet n Wild Jet Black Liner, and I am creating a liner, an eyeliner. You guys, I just bought some stuff from Shein. It's not a lot. I believe it's like 5 items. I bought 5 items, but I have some other clothes that I haven't wore yet. So if you guys want a clothing haul, like a Shein haul, I can give you that. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do like a Shein haul. It's those 5 items, and I have other items to pair with them that I've never worn. Literally just bought them and just like tried it on and then put it back, like put it away. But we're gonna do a video on that. Hopefully I remember to do it, because I always forget when it comes to stuff like that. But hopefully I remember. So I already went in and primed her skin. I used milk, and I just applied that all over her skin. And then what am I doing? Yeah, so that's New Caledonia and NARS. I was trying to figure out as far as how was I gonna go about matching her foundation, because so her neck is a bit darker than her chest. So I was like, okay, we're gonna have to mix. So I mix Nambia with New Caledonia. I applied Nambia to the lower part of her face, and I'm blending that part first. And I'm using my Real Technique cheek brush to work in small areas. And I'm just patting that foundation into her skin. Also, you guys, I need to go back to like getting my lashes, because I used to like have my own lashes, and then I stopped ordering from my vendor. I don't know, it's like a lot of stuff been happening, and I just stopped ordering from my vendor. It's not to say like I didn't like the lashes. I love the lashes. I just don't be consistent, and I need to stop doing that. So I'm gonna go back to getting my own lashes, because I'm tired of the of these lashes. Like I don't like it. Like I don't like that. But here I am just tapping that foundation in, and I'm just blending that together. Blend. You guys, my room is getting set up, and I cannot wait until I show you guys my room and my setup and where I'm gonna be doing my makeup, because you know I have to do tutorials. Like I miss giving you guys tutorials, especially with my clients. All they want is soft glams, and it's pissing me off. So I gotta show you the extravaganza, some extravagant looks, you know what I'm saying? Exotic. So here I am going in with warm almond first to conceal after applying the foundation. And then now I'm taking my setting brush from Real Technique, and I'm just blending that concealer out. So sorry for the background noise, you guys. It's my window's open and it's about to rain. Blend, 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 blend. She looks so pretty. She has like a pretty nose. I literally just be like admiring my clients' features. That's the fun part of being an MUA. Now I'm going in with Cool Tan, and I'm using that to brighten up the under eye. Okay, so here I am setting her face, and I'm using Laura Mercier and Honey, and I am setting those highlighted areas. Now here I am cream contouring, and this is Ebony from Black Radiance. And now I'm just going at the top to conceal her brows. I'm so sorry if I'm in the way, you guys. Just wanted to make sure her brows were exactly to my liking. Don't worry about nothing. When you guys are doing makeup, if you feel like the brows is not how you want it, you go back and fix it, okay? Because at the end of the day, the brows are what matter. Yes, look at that. Her brows do look cute. Who you playing? Who y'all playing? Who you playing with? Okay, now here I am blending out the cream contour. And you guys, let me tell you something. This brush that's in my hand, this angled brush from Morphe, I love this brush. But I don't know what happened. The brush just started like, the hair started falling out. Like, I don't know what happened. Like, look at me picking out the hairs from her face. Like, the brush started just, I don't want it to die, but it started like falling apart. Now here I am going in with Black Radiance contour palette. This is a powdered contour, and I'm just using that brush to set that cream contour. And then now here I am going with Trendsetter to line up the lips. And I also went in and not highlighted, but set all the contoured areas to give that nice defined look. Now here I go with some lipstick, and I'm just applying that on her lips. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. And here I am going in with some clear lip gloss, and I'm just applying that on where I applied the lip pencil. And then now I'm going in with NYX lip gloss and cookies and cream, and I'm just applying that right on top of the lipstick. It's so cute. And then here I am going in with a face powder. I forgot what this was. I forgot what powder this is, but I got it from Walmart, so it's really good. It's probably Black Radiance face powder, I believe. It probably is. So I'm just applying that everywhere. Then I went in and did blush, highlight, set her skin, and this completes the look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you ladies and gents in the next tutorial. Hi to all my new subscribers. Welcome to the family. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you share this video. And I'll see you in the next one, ja. Bye. Shorty off a fan star, just the one I'm really